Hey, congrats on purchasing your very own standing desk. To get you up and moving quicker, let's go over how to install your desk in minutes. The first thing you'll want to do in step 1 is to insert the Allen key guides into all necessary holes that are still needing guides. Step 2. Attach one part A and one part B to each lifting column, part C, using the coned M6x15 socket head cap screws, part G1. Repeat the same process for the other lifting column. Step 3. Remove end bracket, part E, from the carton and attach one end bracket, again part E, to each column, part C, using the coned M6x15 socket head cap screws, which are again part G1. Step 4. Remove the feet, part F, from the carton and attach 1 foot, part H, to each lifting column, which is part C, using the straight M6x15 socket head cap screws, which are part G2. Step 5. Insert the support brackets, part D, into the side brackets, part A and B. Loosely insert support screws, which are part H, but do not tighten until after step 6. We're halfway there. Now your DirectionDesk frame is complete. Let's attach your top. Step 6. Align the holes of the assembled frame into the corresponding holes in the work surface. Screw the assembled frame into the pre-drilled holes of the work surface using the wood screws, part M, and do not over-tighten the screws. Moving to step 7, tighten support bracket screws, part H, mentioned in step 5. Again, do not over-tighten the screws. Step 8, let's place the control box, part K, in between the support brackets, part D, on the work surface. Ensure that the control box is oriented so that the power cord is facing the nearest lifting column, part C. Screw the control box into the work surface using the control box screws, which are part N1. Step 9. Align the holes of the handset, part L, with the holes of the work surface. Screw the handset, part L, into the work surface using the handset screws, which are part N2. Step 10. Peel and stick the cable ties, part O, on the work surface to keep all cables from dangling below the desk. Then plug in and route the cables to their proper connections. If your desk doesn't move, simply press and hold the up and down arrows for 3 seconds to complete initialization. And lastly, step 11, to use the cable sleeve, which is part P, start near the work surface and wrap all wires all the way to the outlet or power strip. And now you're ready to go. Enjoy your Direction Desk. If you have any issues, feel free to email us at info@directiondesk.com.